Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Amazon Associates on Instagram with Amazon influencer step by step clearly. Sign in to your Instagram account. Ensure you have a professional account set up for better insights. Go to the Amazon Associates website. Create an Amazon Associates account if you don't have one. Follow the prompts to provide your payout method and tax information. Once your account is set up, browse to the Amazon Influencer Program page. Check the eligibility criteria to ensure you qualify. Click on Join the Amazon Influencer Program. Link your Instagram account when prompted. Choose your Amazon store name thoughtfully, this will be visible to your followers. After successfully joining, navigate to your influencer dashboard. Here, you can create your storefront. Add recommended products that resonate with your audience. Use clear images and descriptions for each product. Promote your storefront link on your Instagram bio. You can also create posts showcasing specific products. Utilize Instagram stories to share quick product recommendations. Engage with your audience by responding to comments about products. Monitor your Amazon Associates dashboard for insights on earnings. Adjust your strategy based on what products are performing well. Keep your storefront updated with seasonal or trending items. Collaborate with other influencers for broader reach. Stay consistent with your posts to maintain audience engagement. Regularly review Amazon's policies to ensure compliance. By following these steps, you can effectively connect your Amazon Associates account with Instagram. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.